Hello guys, I would like to elaborate some of the methods for solving quadratic equations and how to factorize that. I'll tell you a practical method with which you can solve all the quadratic equations, and it's a practical method and you can apply it. So I'll start with the first equation. It is x square plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. So what you have to do now, if there is there is no constant over there, it will be counted as a constant 1. So we'll multiply the constant of x square with this constant number. We'll take the multiple of this. So we'll take the factor of 12 like this. So the factor of this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 like this. So we'll find out such a factor, such a pair, so that addition of this and subtraction addition will come to 4x. So with this we can say 3 into 2 is 6 and we are left with another 2. So we can write like this, plus 6 and minus 2. So that comes to plus 4. So with this we can add x like this, 6x minus 2x is equal to 4x plus. So we will substitute this over here, the value like this, x square plus 6x minus 2x minus 12 is equal to 0. So we substitute 4x with respect to 6x minus 2. So now from this we'll make two pairs. So from the first pair we can see x is common in both. So we'll take out x outside. So we are left with x, and here it's from 6x we are left with 6 only. And with this pair we can take out 2 outside. So we are left with x and plus 6 is equal to 0. So from this equation now we can see x plus 6 is common in both the places. So we can take x plus 6 as a common. So with this we are left with x here and minus 2 here, that is 0. So these are the factors of this quadratic equation. Now further if we have to find out the value of x, then x plus 6 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0, because if we multiply two numbers and their sum is 0, it means either A is 0 or B is 0. So that's why we put x plus 6 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. So we'll subtract minus 6 on both sides. So we are left with, this is cancelled, x is equal to minus 6, and we add 2 on both sides. So this will be cancelled. Again we are left with x is equal to 2. So these are the two factors, two values of x. So answer will be x is equal to minus 6 and x is equal to 2. So I'll solve another sum in the same method by this, and you can practice different quadratic equations at home. And if you have got any problem, you can comment me, I'll help you out. So another equation I am taking, 3x square plus 14x minus 5 is equal to 0. So in the similar way, the coefficient of x square is 3 and the constant number is 5. So we'll take the factors of this 5, 3, 5, and we can put 1 over there. So we need 14x. So from this we can say this is 3 5 into 5 is 15 and another is 1. So we can write like this, 15 minus 1 is equal to 14. So we need 14 as a plus. So this will be counted as a 15 plus. So we can put x over there like this. So this will come to 14x. So this value we can substitute over there. So that comes to 15x minus x minus 5 is equal to 0. So in this similar way, we'll make two pairs, first and second, like that. And from first pair, we can see 3 is common and x is common. So we will take out 3x as a common. So we are left with the x and we are left with 5 here. And from this, minus 1 we can take as a common. So it will left with x plus 5 is equal to 0. So from these two, from this equation, we can see x plus 5 is common in both the places. If we take out x plus 5 over here, we are left with 3x, and if we take x plus 5 from here also, it will be left with minus 1. So this is the factor of this equation. Further, to find out the value of the x, we will put x plus 5 is equal to 0 or 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So first we solve it. So we can subtract minus 5 on both sides. So this will be cancelled. So x is left with minus 5. X is equal to, and here we can add on 1 on both sides. So this will be cancelled. We are left with x is equal to 1. And 3x is equal to 1, then x is equal to 1 over 3. So our values are x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to 1 over 3. So these are the two values of this equation. So thank you for watching. I'll come again with the polynomial in the next video, and I'll tell you further method of factorizing different type of equation without any problem. Thank you for watching.